Hi, I'm Craig Williams, and in this screencast, I will demonstrate how to use a Ruby script to create a property, synthesize, and dealloc declarations with a single keystroke. We will do this by adding the Ruby script to Xcode's user scripts. The first thing we'll need to do is go and grab the Ruby script, and we'll get that from my website, and you'll find that under Programming and Xcode. When we get to Xcode, we can scroll down to the bottom, and right here, create property, synthesize, and dealloc from variable declaration. And we're going to scroll down to the read more. And when that page loads, we're going to go right down to where the code is. And we're going to copy it to the clipboard by clicking this button right here. We can hide Safari. And we'll go ahead and launch Xcode. We're going to create a new project. And this will be a Cocoa application. I'll click Choose, and I'll name this one Property. I'm going to go right up to the Scripts menu at the top and say Edit User Scripts. I'm going to go to My Scripts and toggle that open. And I'm going to come to the bottom left, click the plus button, and click Add New Shell Script. I'll double click that to rename it. I'm going to give mine a shortcut of Command 4. I'm going to highlight the code that's in here, and I'm going to paste. I'm going to leave my input set to selection, the directory set to selection. The output I'm going to set to discard output. And if there's any errors, I'd like those to display in an alert. And now we're done with this window, so I'll go ahead and close it. I'm going to toggle open my classes group. I'm going to go to the app delegate, and I'll add a few declarations. The first one I'll create is an int. I'll call this one row count. I'll create a bool. We'll name this one is ready. We'll create an outlet. Make it an NS text field. And we'll create an NS string. Now, the way the script works is we'll highlight the items that we want to create declarations for. It'll take those items and create properties for them, and then it's going to go into the implementation file at our synthesize and our dealloc declarations. Now, when the project's first created, there's not going to be a dealloc method. So let's go create that now. I'm going to come down to the bottom. I'll put in dealloc, and I'm going to call super dealloc. And that's the only declaration that we need in there now. So I'll save that. I'm going to go back to the header file. So the way we execute the script, we highlight the instance variables, and Command 4 will run it. And there we go, it's all finished. We can see that our property declarations were created. And if we go over to our implementation file using Option Command up arrow, we can see that our synthesized declarations were created. And also, our dealloc declarations were created. Well, I hope this script makes your coding experience in Xcode just a little sweeter. Until next time, happy coding.